You searched how to buy shares of AEON Biopharma Inc., a clinical stage biopharma company working on novel therapies. AEON trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker AEON. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy AEON, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with a valid ID, and add funds to be able to place orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AEON to find the listing. Choose AEON Biopharma Inc. in the results to ensure you have located the correct company. On the AEON stock page, review the company profile and the price chart for basic information. Confirm the market is NASDAQ and the ticker AEON so you are looking at the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may stay pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your AEON position will appear in your portfolio once executed. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.